Hello, travel enthusiasts! Ready to explore the vibrant culture, beautiful landscapes, and mouth-watering cuisine of Jamaica? Then, welcome to the ultimate Jamaica travel guide. In this guide, we're all set to take you on an awe-inspiring journey through the heart of the Caribbean. From the pulsating rhythms of Kingston, the sun-kissed shores of Montego Bay, to the thrilling adventures awaiting in Ocho Rios, we've got it all covered. We'll dive into Jamaica's rich culinary traditions, explore iconic landmarks, and delve into the unique aspects of the culture that make this island a paradise like no other. And of course, we'll help you navigate your trip with practical tips on the best times to visit, budgeting, and must-try experiences. So whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time visitor, we've got something for everyone. So buckle up as we embark on an exciting journey through Jamaica, the gem of the Caribbean. Our first stop is Kingston, the heart and soul of Jamaica. Kingston, the bustling capital city of Jamaica, is a vibrant tapestry of culture, music, and history. One cannot help but be swept up in its infectious energy. Let's start with the Bob Marley Museum, a must-visit for any reggae fan. Nestled on the site of the legendary musician's home, this museum pays tribute to Marley's life and work. You'll get to see personal artifacts, his gold and platinum records, and feel the vibrations of his music. Next, we have the Devon House, a remarkable testament to the rich history of the island. Built in the late 19th century, this mansion was the residence of Jamaica's first black millionaire. Today, it's a heritage site offering a glimpse into the past, complete with antique furnishings and beautifully maintained gardens. And don't forget to try their famous Devon House ice cream, considered one of the best ice creams in the world. Emancipation Park, a symbol of freedom and cultural expression, is another must-see. With its impressive 7-meter high Redemption Song monument, the park is a serene haven amidst the city's hustle and bustle. Kingston's nightlife is as dynamic as the city itself. The city pulses with music, from reggae and dancehall to ska and rocksteady. It's a rhythm that beats in the heart of Kingston, echoing from the lively clubs and bars, across the city streets, and into the night. Cultural events are a big part of Kingston's charm. The city hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from food and music to film and literature. The Jamaica Carnival, held annually in April, is a riotous explosion of color, dance, and music, and a true reflection of the city's spirit. Kingston is also a food lover's paradise, with an array of restaurants serving up a delicious fusion of flavors. From spicy jerk chicken to sweet and tangy ackee and saltfish, the city's culinary scene is as diverse as its culture. Kingston, a city that never sleeps, offers an authentic slice of Jamaican culture. So whether you're a history buff, a music lover, or a foodie, Kingston has something for everyone. Come and experience the rhythm of Jamaica in its vibrant capital. Next, we head to Montego Bay, the tourist capital known for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. This coastal paradise is the dream destination for those seeking relaxation and adventure in equal measure. Let's start with the iconic Doctor's Cave Beach. This beach is not just known for its powdery white sands and tranquil blue waters, but also for its healing properties. Legend has it that the water here has curative powers, drawing visitors from around the world for over a century. Moving from the beach to a place steeped in history and mystery, we find the Rose Hall Great House. This Georgian mansion is a testament to Jamaica's colonial past, but it's not just the architecture that attracts visitors. The house is said to be haunted by the infamous White Witch of Rose Hall, adding an element of intrigue to this historical landmark. But Montego Bay isn't just about beaches and ghost stories. It's also a place for adventure and exploration. Take a rafting journey on the Martha Brae River, for example. Here, you can glide on a 30-foot bamboo raft through lush greenery and tranquil waters, guided by experienced raft captains who'll share tales of the river's history and folklore. And let's not forget the variety of water sports that Montego Bay has to offer. From snorkeling and diving to explore the vibrant marine life, to sailing and windsurfing for those who prefer to stay above the waves, there's something for everyone. As for dining, Montego Bay boasts a plethora of options. Whether it's fresh seafood by the beach or traditional Jamaican jerk dishes, the culinary scene here is as diverse as it is delicious. And the best part? You can visit Montego Bay any time of the year. With an average temperature of around 80 degrees Fahrenheit, it's always beach weather here. So, whether you're a history buff, an adventure seeker, or someone looking for a relaxing getaway, Montego Bay has something to offer. It's a place where the sun, sand, and sea create a tropical paradise. Montego Bay, where sun, sand, and sea create a tropical paradise. We now move to Ocho Rios, the perfect spot for adventure seekers. Nestled in the heart of Jamaica, Ocho Rios is a true paradise for those who crave a dose of adrenaline with their vacation. This bustling town is brimming with thrilling activities that showcase the island's natural beauty and provide heart-stopping excitement. First on our list is the renowned Dunn's River Falls. This natural wonder is a series of terraced cascades where the water flows over smooth limestone and ends in the Caribbean Sea. Climbing up these falls is a rite of passage for any thrill seeker visiting Ocho Rios. Feel the rush of the water against your skin, the mist in the air, and the echo of laughter and cheers from fellow adventurers. It's a magical experience that will leave you feeling invigorated and alive. Next, we ascend to Mystic Mountain Rainforest Adventures, a unique attraction that provides multiple ways to experience Jamaica's breathtaking landscapes. You can take a leisurely ride on the Sky Explorer chairlift, gliding above the treetops for an incredible bird's-eye view. But for those seeking a more exhilarating ride, there's the Bobsled Jamaica, a gravity-driven thrill ride through the rainforest that's inspired by the famous Jamaican Olympic bobsled team. Feel the wind in your hair and the rush of speed as you twist and turn down the mountain. Lastly, we delve into the depths of the Green Grotto Caves. These enchanting caves offer a glimpse into the island's history, from the indigenous Arawak people to the pirates of the Caribbean. You can explore the caverns, marvel at the stalactites and stalagmites, and even discover a subterranean lake. And if that's not enough, Ocho Rios offers a wealth of other adventure sports. From ziplining over the lush rainforest canopy to river tubing on the White River, there's no end to the excitement. Ocho Rios, a playground for those who love a good adrenaline rush. So pack your spirit of adventure and get ready to create unforgettable memories in this thrilling Jamaican hub. Now, let's take a detour and embark on a culinary journey through Jamaica. Jamaica's culinary scene is a vibrant fusion of flavors, a testament to its rich cultural history. It is as diverse as the people themselves, with influences from Africa, Europe, India, and China, creating a unique blend that's authentically Jamaican. Let's start with the national dish, ackee and saltfish. This savory dish features the tropical ackee fruit sautéed with salted cod, onions, and peppers. It's a breakfast staple, but don't be surprised to find it on dinner menus too. Next up, the infamous jerk chicken. Marinated in a blend of fiery Scotch bonnet peppers and aromatic spices, then slow-cooked over pimento wood. Jerk chicken is Jamaica's gift to the world. It's smoky, spicy, and utterly delicious. And of course, we can't forget the Jamaican patty. Encased in a flaky, golden crust, these handheld delights are filled with spiced meat or vegetables and are the perfect on-the-go snack. From bustling street food stalls in Kingston to upscale dining in Montego Bay, there's a culinary experience for everyone. Try the fresh seafood at Hellshire Beach or indulge in fine dining at the Houseboat Grill. Beyond the food, it's the warmth of the people, the love and care put into each dish, that really makes Jamaican cuisine shine. From roadside jerk centers to high-end restaurants, each meal is a celebration of Jamaica's vibrant culture and heritage. Jamaican cuisine, a gastronomic delight for every food lover. Before we wrap up, here are some practical tips and tricks for your Jamaican vacation. First off, timing is everything. The best time to visit Jamaica is during the winter months, from December to April. The weather is idyllic, with warm, sunny days and cool, refreshing nights. Next, let's talk about budget. Jamaica is a destination that caters to all budget ranges. For those on a shoestring budget, expect to spend around $35 to $50 per day. If you're feeling a bit more luxurious, you might spend anywhere from $100 to $200 daily. Safety is paramount. Jamaica is generally safe, but like any tourist destination, it's important to take precautions. Keep an eye on your belongings, avoid isolated areas, especially at night, and remember, safety in numbers. Finally, let's dive into local customs. Jamaicans are warm, friendly people who appreciate respect and good manners. A simple hello or thank you can go a long way. Also, remember that haggling is a part of the local culture, especially at markets. Don't be afraid to negotiate for that perfect souvenir. One more thing, tipping is customary in Jamaica, particularly in restaurants and for services like guided tours. A tip of 10 to 15% is generally appreciated. Armed with these tips, you're all set for an unforgettable Jamaican adventure.